Morning, everyone. Morning. Is everybody here? Yes. Well, I would like to thank everyone for attending this meeting, but without any further ado, let's just begin our meeting. And continuing from previous meeting, we have agreed to develop a new learning English application as a step to play a role in the development of ELT. And our vision and mission, as you can see on the screen, is certainly something that we should be able to accomplish in the development of ELT. And of course, certainly we need to require a platform that can be used for students and also language learners. From the last week's meeting, I have asked everyone to do research on what kind of content that we should include in our application, and then create our apps exposure. And of course, I have felt the head of marketing to do research on what people currently like about the English learning application and create our apps exposure. And please, for head of marketing, I please you to represent your presentation.
Thank you for the opportunities, Ms. Farah. Let me share my ideas about the marketing strategies as the head of the marketing division. As you can see, our main goal is to develop this application to provide effective learning media for everyone. As you can see, our target is all levels of students and language learners. And we should create something interesting and that can be adapted and customized according to the audiences and budget. And the goal is to raise awareness, build credibility, and encourage users to try and continue using our app. So I have combined some marketing strategies for our company. The first is content media. We can create a blog that discusses about education-related topic and learning tips and the benefits of using learning apps. We can create a video, tutorials, and app demos on YouTube. And the second is social media exposure. We can utilize media such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter also, and we can also work with the famous influencer or educator to review and promote our apps. And the last is webinar and online workshop. We can organize webinars or online workshop that discuss effective learning techniques and the use of technology in education and other relevant topics. And we can demonstrate our app and the user can ask the question directly. Okay, that's all from the ideas for the marketing division.
Okay, so thank you, Ms. Nala, for offering your idea, but I'm a little bit confused with the webinar online workshop. Is it possible for us to do that? Because mostly webinar is boring sometimes. Also, we need some cost for that for the webinar.
Thank you for the question, Ms. Rafa. The reason why do I offer the webinars, because I think with the webinars we can reach a wide range of the participation who may not be physically present. And we can do free application trials during the webinars that can attract the participants. And of course, this webinar has a cost because it is equivalent that we provide for the facilities, and we will invite the famous influencers such as Modi Ayunda and Jerome Pauline, and we will also provide the certificate.
Okay. I agree with the point commented by Ms. Naila, because with this application that will get users will get many benefits. Not necessarily everyone will be bored, because most English learners will be excited with a certificate obtained from our company.
for your idea, but perhaps I think we can implement all of them immediately. I mean, head of finance, what about the situation of our company's funds and financial system? I mean, is it possible to our company to implement all of these ideas immediately? Please give your thoughts.
Okay, so thank you for giving me an opportunity for this. Actually, for me, in the marketing strategies, this is so complicated that we implement for our startup. Because I think this is really develop our startup first because we are a beginner. So it is possible for in the finance thing. Also, I have a idea for our content. Sorry. Okay, so this is my plan. We added a premium content plan. Actually, it is quite hard to us to implement this, but okay, let me just explain what premium content is. Premium content is a plan that for getting content over like ebooks, product guides, etc. Also, the reason why I choose premium content plan is because we need more capital for better features for our users. Because actually our investor is need some more interesting for in the finance division. So premium plan is one of the ways we get more benefits and research for our application. What it include on the premium content, we got a schedule of premium content and renowned advertisement, inclusive edition, a journal, and review tests, social media posts, landing pages and emails, supporting more content, consultation, etc. And of course, if we got a new cost from our user, they have a benefits. Premium user will get an ad free as long as they subscribe to our application and have access to our English limited edition journal and consultation. So consultation in here is like if they get hard for that test, they could do consultation with a native speaker. Also, premium user will get a review and final test of what they learned from the application and get some certificate from our company with signature for Ministry of Education. Benefit for our company if the company will receive a larger amount of funds and investment which will be used for server maintenance, application content, and developing employee quality as well as improving services. I think that's it for me. Anybody has a question?
Alright, so from this, I want to ask, what's your opinion about the advertisement to not disturb the user and make the user discomfortable?
Oh, for the advertisement.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is my opinion, and I already discussed with my division. So I think for the advertisement, we could use that advertisement for the original user when they want to improve their skill on our application. Okay, for the example, they have a level for our game in our application, and then they could use that advertisement for improving their skill on the application. How about that, Miss?
So I think your idea is very good, but I have some little problem here. However, from my perception, this doesn't increase the probability of increasing the number of premium users. This premium user is intended to increase our funds and then in managing the application, right?
Yeah.
If you just do it as, I think it would be more appropriate if the cool features was limited to only 3 times a day, and then so if the original users who need more learning will be inclined to change their account to the premium user, and then our company can get a lot from the funds and the premium users can make more benefits from the application. The more premium users we have in our app, the more company will get a lot of money, right?
Okay, yeah, I get it. Thank you so much. That's a great idea for my division. Thank you so much, Ms. Farah.
I appreciate it. Now I think about the private company class is already solved. And then now we can talk about the face of our app. For Miss Lisa, the head of design, how about the design of our logo and content app of our app?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present our things from our division. Okay. As a graphic designer, we are able to offer several designs to be used in the application that we will launch later. I will give many examples because this is still adapting to the concept that we will form later. So the first design is look so simple. I hope that everyone can join, can unite in this design. And for the second design, it's too basic. But this concept will be get interesting by everyone because it looks so simple and so interesting. And for the last design, it looks so colorful because I want everyone can join. Firstly, kids from this is tone color in apps. What do you guys think?
I'd rather number 2 or number 2. And what about you guys? Number 2. Which is number 3. Yeah. What about the proper here? What do you
I see the numbers.
Number 2.
I think number 3 has more fun. So what about you?
I just number 3. And from our last meeting, our previous meeting,